Hi, welcome to TODAUS channel. If it is your first time and you like this channel, you like the video, please subscribe, put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to check it out. In this channel, I talk about life in Germany, motherhood. I help women who are struggling to conceive. I give them my bit knowledge about this so that it could help them. I do vlogs and sometimes I will be throwing my lifestyles video here. So in today's video, I want to show you 5 proven tips to get pregnant fast. Yes, I want to share with you top 5 proven tips that can help you to get pregnant fast. Have you been struggling to conceive and you are finding it difficult? Sit down, watch this video. It's gonna be useful. Like you know, I always write my points down in case if you see me looking down so that I don't miss vital information. So the number one thing that you should do and know when you are planning to conceive and you want to conceive fast, you need to do this is understand your female ovulation cycle and time your intercourse. I repeat, understand your female ovulation cycle and time your intercourse. This is very, very important. A lot of women, they do not know their cycle. They don't know when they are fertile. They don't know when they are ovulating. They don't know when they are likely to ovulate. This is a very big problem. In fact, most of us will think that we have problem, but we don't. We are the problem to ourselves because we do not pay attention to our body. Anything that goes on in your system, starting from your brain downward, it gives you sign. Just because we do not pay attention to our body, it seems we have problem. And when we go to hospital, the doctors will call our attention back, then we might have paid. But if you're a woman, you pay attention to your body, you will know if you have problem or not. In Africa, this is in Nigeria, Africa as a whole, this is a very big problem because most of the women who are suffering from infertility, they do not have problem. The only problem they have is that they don't know when they are fertile. They don't study their body. So the number 2 things I'm going to be reading, pardon me, is this: you have to be in good health. Before trying to conceive, you need to go for medical checkup. I said this in my previous video. You need to visit your gynecologist. You need to visit your healthcare provider. You need to visit any gynecologist to check you. Visiting is not only the female. You know, we always believe that when a woman is not able to conceive, that the problem is coming from the woman. No, both of you and your partner, you need to visit the healthcare provider. Check yourself properly to know if there is something that needs to be fixed. Yes. So it's not only the women in Africa. When a woman is not conceiving, the blame is just now that their eyes is opening. All the blames go to the woman. They will say, this woman, she's old. Some say she have done series of abortion, all this blah blah blah. But they don't know that men also suffers infertility problem. Be in good health, maximize your natural fertility, follow a good health diet, exercise, weight loss, detox yourself, be sure you take folic acid. I'm going to be discussing all these things. So pregnancy is a journey. For the fact that you get pregnant easy doesn't mean that it's easy like that. For you to have a very good pregnancy, healthy baby, you need to prepare it on time. So the reason why you should do all these things before is that you are saving yourself from the risk of miscarriage. You are saving yourself from the risk of giving birth to unhealthy baby. You are saving yourself of many things. So you need to visit your gynecologist. He will check if your health and your partner's health is good. If it is good, then you need to do exercise. If you are fat like me, if you are fat, you need to reduce your weight. You know, imagine when you are fat and you become pregnant, it will be too much now. So you need to reduce the fat in you. You need to detox yourself. Detoxing yourself, cleansing yourself. I am going to make a video on how to detox. Time is not permitting me. Making this video here is not easy with kids. Anytime my time permits me, I'm going to make video on how to use natural ingredients in your kitchen to detox yourself. This is very, very important. It's just like you are clearing your stomach, you are clearing everything for a new thing to take place. You need to take folic acid, that is prenatal vitamins, at least from 400 milligrams. Although some people 400 milligrams might be too low for them, that is why you need to go to your healthcare provider or gynecologist who will write the adequate one that your body feels. You need to take this folic acid 3 months before you start planning to conceive, because it is very, very important and it helps in the development of the baby and the baby's brain. Folic acid is very, very important. Do not start it when you conceive, but rather 3 months before you start planning to conceive, start taking this folic acid or prenatal vitamins. Some prenatal vitamins contains folic acid. Let the folic acid be at least 400 milligrams. Then if you need more, your doctor will prescribe that. So the next one that is very, very important is timing. You need to time yourself. You need to time your ovulation. You need to time your fertile period. Timing is very, very important when it comes to conceiving fast. You need to check yourself very well. If you don't know how to calculate your ovulation, please, I always say this, make sure you use ovulation prediction kits, OPK. They are not expensive that you cannot afford. If you don't know your cycle, please go to YouTube, watch videos, watch series of videos on how to calculate cycle. Then use ovulation prediction kits. Buy it in Amazon. You can buy it in stores. They sell it. So it's not something that is scarce. You say, I cannot see it. You will see it. Once you get there, tell them ovulation prediction kit. They will give it to you. Start using it. If you have 28-day cycle, start using ovulation kit on the day 12 of your cycle. But if you do not know your cycle, I will encourage you to start using this OPK as soon as you finish your menstruation, so that you'll be able to know when you are ovulating or when you are likely going to ovulate, to enable you time your intercourse. So another important thing, this one I wrote it down, I'm going to be reading it, pardon me, is this: find the exact day of your ovulation. You can work this out using ovulation test. Like I said before, the ovulation test, it is used to predict or to dictate LH, that is LH surge, which stands for luteinizing hormone, which triggers ovulation. When LH takes place, ovulation is likely to take place in 12 to 24 hours. If you want to maximize your chances of getting pregnant, have sex the night before you are likely to ovulate. The morning of ovulation, again the night of ovulation, and the first morning of ovulation. So these are the ways in which you are going to achieve this. You need to take your prenatal vitamins, that is folic acid and other vitamins. You need to do exercise, lose some weight. You need to time your intercourse. So I believe you find this video useful. If there is anything you want me to clear, please do not hesitate to write it down, and I will be here at your service. Please share this video, leave your comment down below. Until we meet again in my next video, I will say bye bye.